On an average week, how many hours do you train? Including your bike riding, because you're always on your bike. I know that. So.
Three. I'd say about 6 hours. 6 hours. I don't like my workouts. I don't usually go over an hour because unless I'm training, like if I'm training for a triathlon or if I'm training for some type of endurance race and I need to do what's called a brick, where you need to kind of combine a running and a swimming or a biking and a running, then I'm going to expand my workouts. But I like to stay within an hour because if you go too far into a workout or you go too long into a workout, sometimes more is not necessarily better. Your cortisol levels are going to go up, or in this case, my cortisol levels are going to go up. I'm going to lose protein synthesis, I'm going to start eating into my muscles. And so it's going to have almost a negative impact. So if I like to train smart, keep my workouts to about 50 minutes to an hour and 10 minutes, somewhere in that range. And so I usually work out about 5-6 days a week. So roughly around 6 hours a week.